Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're diving into the world of universal remote codes for Hisense TVs. Whether you've lost your remote or just looking to simplify your entertainment setup, knowing these codes can make life a lot easier. Stick around as we guide you through the process, step by step. Imagine this. You're ready to kick back and enjoy your favorite show, but where's that remote? No worries. With universal remote codes, you can control your Hisense TV without the original remote. Step 1. Understanding universal remotes. First things first, let's understand what a universal remote is. It's a single remote that can control multiple devices, including your TV, DVD player, sound system, and more. Today, our focus is on programming it for your Hisense TV. Step 2. Finding the right remote code. Now, every universal remote comes with a list of codes. To find the right one for your Hisense TV, check the remote's manual or packaging. Look up the manufacturer's website for a list of codes. We'll also provide some commonly used codes in the video description to help you out. Step 3. Programming your remote. Let's get to the fun part, programming your universal remote. Start by turning on your Hisense TV manually. Next, grab your universal remote and follow the instructions to enter the code for Hisense TVs. Once entered, test the remote by pressing the power button to see if your TV turns off. Step 4. Troubleshooting tips. If the first code doesn't work, don't worry. Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Double-check the code you entered. Ensure your remote is compatible with Hisense TVs. Try the next code on the list until you find the right one. Conclusion. And there you have it, universal remote codes for your Hisense TV in a nutshell. Whether it's for convenience or necessity, knowing how to program your remote can save you time and hassle. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks.